SSC Staff Selection Commission. It's also one of the appointing authority of India. SSC stands for Staff Selection Commission. It is an Indian organization which recruits staff for various posts in the various ministries and departments of the government of India. It is also recruits for subordinate officers. The commission is headed by a chairman and 3 or 2 members and a secretary cum controller of examinations to assist the chairman. It's quartered at New Delhi, India. This commission is an attached office of the Department of Personnel and Training, DOPT, which consists of chairman, 2 members and a secretary cum controller of examination. Each post is equivalent to the level of additional secretary to the Government of India. The Estimates Committee in the Parliament recommended the setting up of a Service Selection Commission in its 47th report for conducting examination to recruit lower categories of posts. Later in the Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms on 4th November 1975, Government of India constituted a commission called Subordinate Service Commission. On 26 September 1977, Subordinate Services Commission was renamed a Staff Selection Commission. Subordinate Service Commission was renamed as Staff Selection Commission. The functions of Staff Selection Commission were refined by the Government of India through Ministry of Personnel Public Grievances and on 21 May 1999. Then the new constitution and functions of Staff Selection Commission came into effect from 1 June 1999. Every year, SSC conducts the SSC Combined Graduate Level Examination for recruiting non-gazetted officers. It is very important. SSC conducting non-gazetted officers post to various government jobs. SSC conducting non-gazetted officers level jobs. Exam conducted by SSC. SSC currently functions as a subordinate office of DOPT and is mainly engaged in conducting competitive exams for recruiting to various posts in the UPSC department organizations. In the previous years, SSC has conducted various exams as given below. SSC Combined Graduate Level Examinations, SSC Combined Higher Secondary Level Exams, Junior Engineer, Junior Hindi Translator, SSC GD Constable, SSC Multitasking Staff Selection Post, SI Central Police Organization, Stenographer. The staff Service Commission conducted competitive examination to recreate various services and posters. There are more than 20 types of jobs, varies from Group B to C. Eligibility criteria is graduation in any stream from a recognized university to apply for an SSC examination. Physical fitness and measurement are also required for some posters like the Sub-Inspector and Narcotics Department. Major functions of SSC: to conduct recruitment for the Group B posters in the minorities of departments of the Government of India and their subordinate officers, and for all non-technical Group C posters in the ministries or departments of Government of India and their subordinate officers. To conduct recruitment for the Group B posters in the ministries of departments of the Government of India and their subordinate officers, and for all non-technical Group C posters in the ministries of departments of the Government of India and their subordinate officers. To conduct exams and interviews for the posters within its preview. To conduct departmental exams related to promotion from a lower divisions to upper divisions. To conduct periodical typewriting tests in Hindi and English, to perform other functions entrusted to it by the central government from time to time. Thank you.